Hello guys, in this short video, we are going to have a quick talk about NFT whitelisting and how can you benefit from it. So, let's get started. You may have heard of people flipping NFTs for huge profits. The secret to flipping well is to buy low, buy minting, and sell high. In NFT land, one of the best ways to do that is to buy an NFT when it is first released, aka dropped, to its community, and then sell it when you see it pop up on secondary marketplaces. However, when you try to execute minting, there may arise issues. Issue number 1: all of the NFTs in the project can be sold out before you get a chance to purchase them. The NFT space is a growing industry and great projects are attracting a lot of interested buyers who are rushing to mint the minute the project is released. Issue number 2: you may get stuck in gas fees battles. A gas fee is a transaction fee in the NFT space. The catch is that the faster your transaction will be confirmed, the more gas you'll be willing to pay. As there is so much competition to earn, a lot of people increase the amount they're willing to pay for gas. The gas war phenomenon results in ridiculous transaction fees that end up costing you a lot of money. To address these issues, NFT projects have introduced whitelists. What actually is NFT whitelisting? Whitelisting is the process/steps, as defined by the NFT project team, of getting your ETH address pre-approved to mint an NFT at some predefined date and time. The whitelist can be the most important feature in the next generation of cryptocurrency wallets. It allows users to claim NFTs for free or at a discounted price. Instructions: how do you get whitelisted on NFT projects? 1. Find a good project at its infancy. A whitelist only works if the project has not been released. You should find a good project before it's dropped, and before it accumulates a mass following. Use rarity.tools to find upcoming projects, as well as you can follow NFT YouTube influencers to get updated. 2. Initiate a quick research on the project. You can go via their official website and have a bird's eye view of it, maybe a white paper or roadmap. 3. Follow their community channels. May it be their Discord server or Telegram group. Keep yourself updated and network with fellow members. 4. Check and follow their eligibility criteria. NFT whitelisting is specific to each project and is determined by its own unique set of requirements. You need to make sure you meet their criteria. Once you are eligible, you will provide your crypto wallet address, most probably your MetaMask address, to get pre-approved for minting. Whitelists are mutually beneficial to both founders and buyers of an NFT project. A common requirement on most whitelist eligibility criteria is for people to stay active within the community. How NFT whitelisting can change the entire NFT ecosystem. Whitelisting helps to solve these problems. By signing up for a whitelist, you are providing your trust to the project. You are showing them that you are a valuable person and that you want to be a part of the community. You are also helping them to promote their project and reach more people. As mentioned earlier, whitelisting process is pretty simple. Helping them to promote their project and reach more people. And then, when the project goes live, you get to receive your NFT at a discounted price. After the project gets listed on large marketplace like OpenSea.io, its value can increase tremendously where you reap the rewards. NFT whitelisting. Conclusion. Crypto space, especially, NFT market is moving crazy fast. We can't speculate what the future holds, but everyone is rushing to get hands on this ecosystem. Many are losing their asset and many are changing lives, turning NFT millionaire overnights. A word of caution: NFT ecosystem is a part of crypto space which is unfortunately full of scammers. Please do your research and take extra caution before attaching your wallet address to the listed project, and never disclose your wallet seed phrase or password to no one in any case. Hey! Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that you won't miss any future content and giveaways. Crypto Wealth Code, your wealth building partner. Have a great time.